On the 12th day of appetizers, Uncle Chris made for me, what? Strawberry shortcake rounds instead of strawberry shortcake snowballs? What happened? Well, you'll see on Uncle Chris. No, it's not Santa. It's Uncle Chris.
What you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking.
Yes, nieces and nephews, welcome to the 12th day of the 12 days of appetizers for Christmas. It's kind of bittersweet because it's the last day, but we have one more day with the big grand prize, and we're going to be talking about the recipes that we did on the 13th day, and we're going to see who's going to win. So that's going to be something. All right, I've got a recipe as I showed you earlier. We are doing strawberry shortcake snowballs, or so I thought. I got this idea from Simply Meals by T-Vlog. She did the chocolate mint balls, so I'm going to do strawberry. So what I'm going to do is first shoo away the cat. I tell you, every time I try to make a video, she photobombs me. Okay. I'm going to take these, and the first step is to separate. Oh, I've got the golden Oreos. She used the chocolate. So I'm going to separate them just like she did. I'll put them over here. I'm taking the filling out. Okay. I'm going to do about 8 or so of these, maybe more, because I want to make quite a few. Okay. So I've done 3 of them already. I'm going to do a whole sleeve of them. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm going to just do 12. Because I want to make sure I have enough. Everybody's going to eat some. And enough for me. Also, I have a block of cream cheese I've let soften. Okay? Let me open this up just a little more so I can put this in too. I'm just going to do these first. So I feel I have enough, like I said, about 12 of them. And then we'll move on and mix the rest up. All right. I'm going to do the rest off camera. Be right back. Okay. Now I've got about as much center filling as I have cream cheese. So I'm going to put my cream cheese in. Ooh. I want to smash everything up and get it all mixed together. Oh, yes. I'm getting a good mix on this. Okay. Now, I've got some vanilla. Some good vanilla too. Madagascar. What is this? Madagascar vanilla, yeah. I'm gonna put in 1 capful because I do want that vanilla creamy taste to come through. I'm gonna mix this in. Starting to smell really good here. I'm putting at least a couple teaspoons because I want it to be sweet. I got some strawberry syrup, like what you put in milk. I'm gonna put this in because these are strawberry shortcake. How much do I put in? Enough that I think it's gonna make it taste strawberry enough. Oh, look at the color change. I want to add some more. I've added at least a tablespoon. But you taste it, see what you think. Now, as soon as this is all mixed good, I am going to put this in the refrigerator to make it firm up some. But to also thicken it, I'm going to take some of these and crumble them in here. Okay. Oh yeah. I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator for 30 minutes so it chills, okay? I'll be right back. All right, nieces and nephews. For some reason, probably because I put too much strawberry syrup in there, my filling won't solidify the way I want to. So what do? You improvise. Life gives you lemons, you make lemonade. I'm gonna take the intact cracker, thank God I didn't crack them all up, and we're gonna refill them with our now strawberry cheese filling. Just like that, okay? Just like that. I'm gonna put a top back on them, push them together till it makes like a sandwich, like that. Then I'm gonna roll it through the powdered sugar. Look at that. And I'm gonna plate it. Now we're gonna do this for all of them. It looks so cute. They look like snow. They look snow. I didn't think this was gonna work out, but look. Okay, I'm gonna finish these up and we can go from there. Nieces and nephews, look at them. Oh, they look so cool. They look so Christmassy. I'm so glad this turned out. At first I thought this was gonna be a failure, but this looks good and tastes good. I had one already. Just in time for your party, a nice, sweet, beautiful appetizer. Let's take a taste. Well, nieces and nephews, morning has come, and I got these done just in time. I'm very dedicated. Let me pick one up. These are going to be messy, but I got me a glass of milk to go with it. They taste just like a strawberry shortcake. Amazing. Amazing. Oh my God, that's so good. These are right on time for Christmas. Now, go to Simply Meals by T Vlog. Check her out, okay? The prize is going to be coming. It's $50 for first place and $10 for the 2 second place prizes. I want you to like. I want you to comment. I want you to subscribe. Today was the last day of Appetizers, and a brand new day is starting because Christmas is coming. Oh, I can't wait. I'm kind of sad to see this go, but it was fun doing it. It really was. I also have a food pantry haul today for you guys. Check out all the videos and let me know what you think. These came out good, really good. Now, write to me, Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef at gmail.com. Let me know if you need food. Let me know if you just want to talk. Okay? I'm so glad this came out good. And now I got some people that are early morning risers that are going to want to try these. Big love from Uncle Chris. And let's see who wins. All right. Bye-bye.